Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're exploring the enchanting world of Moroccan mint tea, a beverage that's more than just a drink. It's a cultural ritual. Moroccan mint tea, or atay nahna, symbolizes hospitality and tradition. Its origin remains unclear, with possibilities ranging from the 12th to the 18th century. However, by the 19th century, it had become a cornerstone of Moroccan social life. The preparation is an art form. It starts with Chinese gunpowder green tea, fresh spearmint leaves, and a generous amount of sugar. The brewing process uses precise steps to achieve a perfect balance of taste and aroma in every cup. Pouring the tea is a spectacle. The tea is poured from a height to create a frothy top, enhancing the aromatic experience and adding a visual delight to the ritual. Moroccan mint tea is more than a refreshing drink. It's a gesture of warmth and friendship. Sharing this tea with guests shows respect and hospitality, making it an integral part of Moroccan social interactions and celebrations. Explore the rich history and vibrant culture of this beloved tradition with us. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tea and coffee adventures.